everyone, it's me. Today it's really raining. Let me show it. It's really raining, and yeah, I have to use something to my head, so I will be right back. Wait, guys, we're here and it's gonna start. Oh my gosh, guys, it's raining. Can't believe it's raining. Where did it go? Oh yeah, I know it. Can't see a lot because oh my, I can't see. Okay, fine, let's go. Oh jeez, we're in our shelter. I'm going to give you a tour of my shelter. There's the lights, and there's this thing. I don't know what is that. Okay. There's a little window up here. Wow. And there's the lights there. And we have a bike. It's gonna be okay, that's good. There's that, and there's the car. And there's sopa, and I don't know why there's soup. Okay, sopa. So Travis and Fiona and Karina and Fauna, you're watching this video. It's weird. Okay? Weird. It's gonna really dark. Bye! Oh, that looks like my hair's sticking out, but it's not. It's just nothing. Okay.